With the way the world is going today, it's in a spiral. And is your life in a spiral? He says that when you have something or a trouble or those difficulties or the hurdles in life, he says in Jeremiah 33:3, call unto me, and I will hear you, and I will show you great and mighty things that you don't know of. God will show you things. God will show you the solutions. God will show you the wisdom and give you the understanding to overcome all those trials in life. Just call unto Him. He is always waiting, just like a father waiting for his son to come back. And when he saw his son afar, he stood up on his chair and went running towards his son. The same thing is true with us and God. God is waiting for you to declare things in your life. God is waiting for you to declare all of those things that God has put in your heart. The things that you see are impossible but are possible with God.